What's up guys, it's Kyle and welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of our Malaysia travel series exploring Malaysia on a budget. In the last episode, we have visited the very famous Batu Caves, Petronas Twin Towers, and indulged with an Indian experience in Little India. In today's episode, we're diving into the city's rich history, culture, and skyline. From its lively market to its towering landmark, let's discover Kuala Lumpur on a budget. So I'm now walking to the train station. So I'm currently in Brickfields and I'm now walking to the NU Central Station to take the train. So this is the area of Brickfields, guys. If you have watched my first video, we explored this area. That is the NU Central Mall. So we'll be crossing the road here. Yan, abot tayo. Crossing. This is the NU Central Shopping Mall for you guys. So we will be getting inside the mall to get to the train station. So we will be taking the LRT Kelana Jaya line. Let's go. May shortcut dito eh. Actually, pwede tayong mag-escalator dun sa side na yun. Pero tumawid na tayo sa pedestrian. So this is the inside of the mall, guys. First time in NU Central. So we will be going to the level C, which is the concourse, where all of the train stations are located in this mall. See you there. Nandito na tayo sa level C. So we will be taking the LRT Kelana Jaya line, the pink line. This is the KL Central, guys. So all of the platform of Malaysia's transport system are located here. So let's go to Kelana Jaya line. That's where we will be going. So we're taking the platform 2. Oh no, we're taking the platform 1 going to Pasar Seni. So this is the platform 1, guys, from KL Central. So we're now in KL Central and we will be getting off at Pasar Seni. Let's go. So the fare is just 1 ringgit and 80 cents, if I'm not mistaken. Sakto yung dating natin, just right on time, the train is here. Let's go. Daming tao. It's on time. Pasar Seni. Ay, ito na naman yung mataas na escalator, guys. So scary. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kataas. So for the first attraction for today, we will be heading to Malaysia's Chinatown. So we will be going to the Petaling Street. So I just took the train from KL Central to get to Pasar Seni. And from Pasar Seni, you just need to walk a few meters away. Actually, guys, we have quite a few options to get here. in Petaling Street. So you can either take the bus going to Pasar Seni. You can take the bus 600 or bus 601 from KL Central, or you can just use your Move It app to know what bus you need to take from your current location. You can also take the monorail. So if you take the monorail, you need to get off at Hang Tuah Station. And from Hang Tuah Station, the Petaling Street is just walking distance away as well. Lakad lang tayo guys. Alam ko diretso lang yun dito. Ayan, parang, yung bubong na yun. Yan, malapit na tayo. We're almost there to the Petaling Street, or Jalan Petaling as they say. So guys, we finally made it here in Malaysia's Chinatown, the Petaling Street. So that's the main entrance of the Petaling Street. Petaling. So let's now get inside the Petaling Street. Shoes. Fake market bags. Actually, no. I'm looking for a polo. Perfumes. So guys, if you're looking to buy souvenirs and pasalubong when you go back to your home country, Petaling Street is one of the many places here in Kuala Lumpur where you can buy an affordable pasalubong. Anong otaw? Mga bags. Nagbubukas pa lang sila. I think they're still opening at this time because it's only 3 p.m. And they're open until midnight, maybe around 12. The bags. These are keychains for 6 ringgit. 250. You can buy some bags. Yeah. Ref magnet 8 ringgit. Luxury brand. Actually, itong Petaling Street, guys, parang isang street siya na mahaba na maraming shops like Changi. So you can buy clothes, designer bags, shoes, and other stuff like ref magnet and keychains, just like what I showed you earlier. At times, it gets very crowded. Medyo magulo ang ganap dito ngayon. Magbubukas pa lang sila kasi medyo maaga pa eh. Ayan mo guys. Designer bags. Explore lang natin yung area. Medyo nakaka-stress yung ganap today. Nagbubukas pa lang sila. Alas stress pa lang kasi. Yung mga alahas. bags, mochi. So lakad lang tayo, straight lang. Tignan natin kung anong meron sa dulo. Mga dresses, keychains, designer bag. You want Louis Vuitton? Etong ano na to, etong soya bean na to, laging mahabang pila dyan. Maybe it's good. Ayun o. Apat na corner siya. So each corner, merong mga nagtitinda talaga. You want to buy luggage, we also have luggages here, which is very affordable. For as low as 80 ringgit, 75 ringgit, you can buy yourself a luggage. Yan ang mga relos, luxury watches. So I think we have reached the end, guys. So let's go back. This is close. Let's go back that side. Yan. Anong meron dito, guys? Mga bag. There are also thrift shops here. You can buy affordable clothes. I think this is a famous spot where you can eat some noodles. I'm not fond of noodles. May mga flowers din. Cutie. Designer bags. Pandora. Mhm. Ang ganap dito. Anong pagpupulong to, guys? Pupulong sila sa gitna. Wala na masyadong ganap dito. Okay. Ito na din yung end. Lakad lang tayo. Ayun, may Pandora sila. Bracelets. Malaysia bags, neck bags, t-shirts for 8 ringgit. Sana wag umulan, guys. Dito sa Malaysia, it rains every day in the afternoon. Designer bags. So I think we arrived here pretty early because most of the stores are just opening at this time. I think it's around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So maybe come here around 5 or 6 p.m. But before, usually they open already during 1 p.m. Pero ngayon pa lang sila nagbubukas. I'm just not sure why. Kuya, saan ka punta? So this is just Petaling Street for you guys, Malaysia's Chinatown. So this is a place where you can buy clothes, luxury bags, pasalubongs, keychains, and rep magnets at a very affordable price. But just a pro tip, guys, if ever you buy something here, make sure that you haggle because you know the drill when you ask. So you know the drill if you buy something and you ask them how much it is, medyo malaki yung pinipresyo nila sa mga turista. So make sure that you haggle. Tumawad kayo. Halimbawa sabi sa inyo 100, tawaran yung 20. Kasi medyo OA talaga yung presyo nila sa mga turista. So tumawad kayo. Just like before, I think when I wanted to buy a bag, so the price started at 80 ringgit, and I was able to brought it down like around 40 ringgit, so which is 50% lower than the price that they quoted. So that's just it for the Petaling Street. I am now going to our next destination. I hope it doesn't rain. So I'm gonna go to Central Market, which is just a few meters away from here. Why every road is under construction? What the hell? The fudge? Parang sa Pinas din to, guys. Sinisira nila yung mga roads kahit hindi naman sira. Na. So I'm trying to remember the right way to go to Central Market. I'm not sure if this is the right way, but let's just walk. So we now left the Petaling Street. Hindi na ako masyadong nagtingin-tingin ng mga bagay-bagay doon, guys, kasi nahihiya ako. Wala akong kasama, mag-isa lang ako. Pero I hope nakakuha kayo ng idea how it looks like. And kung ano yung mga bagay na makikita nyo doon at pwedeng bilhin. I think this is not the right way. Balik tayo, guys. Parang mali. Doon tayo sa kabila. The other side. Let's go to Central Market first because it might rain in the next few minutes. So Central Market is just walking distance from Petaling Street. This is the main entrance of Petaling Street. So when you exit, go to the right side. So this way is going back to the train station. The MRT and the LRT is over there. Ito yung pinipilahang cookies, guys. Bili nga tayo. I think nag-viral to previously sa TikTok. Laging mahabang pila. So ngayon, walang pila kasi nagpa-fasting pa sila. So let's try it. So I bought cookie from the Cookie Crumbs Bake Shop. So these cookies became viral not too long ago. So let's give it a try. Per piece, it's just 11 ringgit. So I hope this is like a good cookie, just like the one that I really like in TRX. So let's go first to Central Market and then let's find a spot there where we can eat our cookie. So it's just near here, guys. I really hope it doesn't rain. It rains here always in the afternoon. So that's the train station, guys. And let's take this side. So your landmark is the MRT and the LRT over there. Hindi natin maintindihan yung weather here. Maaraw na. Which is a good thing. I hope it doesn't rain so we can explore more. Malapit na tayo sa Central Market. It's just 300 meters away from the Petaling Street. So, from Petaling Street, guys, paglabas nyo ng main entrance ng Petaling Street, kumanan kayo, tapos dire-diretso lang kayo hanggang makita nyo tong MRT dito. Tapos, kanan uli kayo. Turn right over here to get to the Central Market. I'm not sure if this is the fastest route, but this is the route that I'm familiar. There may be another route that you can take, but this one is easier because you just need to go straight. Sana ganito lang yung weather. Malilim. Kasi sobrang init ngayon sa Malaysia, guys. Pumapalo siya ng 30 degrees. Sobrang init tapos paghapon uulan. Parang tanga. Char. Parang tanga. Ayun na guys, natatanaw ko na yung Central Market. Di ba ang lapit lang? So, kung pupunta kayo ng Malaysia, tapos gusto nyong bumili ng mga pasalubong and other stuff, so dalawa yung pwede nyong puntahan dito. Petaling Street, parang Changi vibe, or yung Central Market. I think medyo mas mahal dito sa Central Market. Ayun siya, oh, yung kulay blue. Bilisan na natin guys kasi ang lakas ng hangin. So, 100% sure uulan na naman. So, kailangan makapasok na tayo sa Central Market bago umulan. Ito katatawid. Ano naman, tawid na tayo. Wala naman. Yun siya. Pasar Seni Central Market pala yung name niya. Since 1888. Bilisan natin. Maulan lang tayo. Nakaka-bad trip ang KL. Laging ulan ng ulan. Ganda doon guys. Oh. I think may shortcut din pala dito. Bala na kayo kung saan nyo gustong dumaan guys. Pero ayan na. We arrived at the Central Market. Tawid lang tayo, yes. Siyempre, law-abiding citizen tayo. Tatawid lang tayo pag nag-green yon. You know? Maaraw na naman. Pa-bipolar na ang weather dito sa Malaysia. Ang ganda oh, may ano siya. Tawid na tayo. I forgot the name of this building, but it looks nice also. So that's the Central Market. Let's get to the main entrance and see what we can find over there. Oh, di ba? Oh, picture-picture si Auntie May. Oh. Ganun dapat. Yan oh. Ganda guys. It looks really nice. And then there are yung umaraw. There are food trucks or coffee shops. Pasok tayo sa Central Market. Yeah, guys. So I'll just show you one of the picture spot here in Central Market. So I think you can already see the sign Central Market Kuala Lumpur. Ayan siya. So when you go to Central Market, this spot is a perfect picture spot. Ayan siya. Let's now get inside and see what we can find. Pa-aircon tayo sa loob. Sobrang init. Ayan yung sinasabay guys. Meron ditong coffee shop. Mama, where you can eat. This is like a grocery. Minsan meron silang bancheta dyan. Mamaya babalik ako dyan kasi may perfume ako na gusto dyan. So, explore natin. Yun mga ganyan guys. Mga damit. Feeling ko mahal to. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Look at the keychain. It's 15 ringgit each. So earlier in Petaling Street, it's just 8 ringgit guys, di ba? So it's cheaper in Petaling Street. Mas mahal dito kasi may aircon. Yan pa. Durian. Personalized cases. Oh, this one is interesting. Mga estatwa. You're fond of those. Mga traditional something. Ka-aesthetic naman ito. Ayan o, pwede din kayo dun bumili dyan. Pasalubong. Kape, candies, bags. Ito yung Old Town Coffee. Must buy in Malaysia. Keychains. 2 for 10. Ah, mura to. 2 for 10. 5 ringgit each. So, pag bibili kayo dito, ang bilhin nyo dito is yung Old Town and Teh Tarik. Ballpen. Mga postcards. Ito guys, so 5 ringgit each. Feeling ko pag marami yung binili nyo dito, makakakuha kayo ng deal. Like, a discount. Ito, yung ganito oh. Minsan may mga store na nagbebenta per bundle na ganyan. So, makakakuha kayo ng discount. Sa tumawad kayo. Huwag kayong mag-agree agad sa mga presyo nila. Because that's a tourist price. I'm telling you guys, you need to haggle when you go to Petaling Street and Central Market. Tumawad kayo. Kahit wala kayong kasalanan, humingi kayo ng tawad. Joke ba yun? Ay, ganda oh. Yan lang siya guys. Shades. Bathing tapir. Ano to? Ang ganap dito. Maraming tao. Yan. Parang painting. Mga mahilig sa paintings. Cute oh. Yan. Para-paraw lang naman yung ganap dito. Mga alahas, kung ano-ano, mga paraphernalia ng KL, keychains, ref magnet, postcards, same, di plan. No money, no honey. Meron din doon paggawaan ng Kodak Express. So, yun lang naman ang ganap dito sa Central Market, guys. Ito cute, oh. Yun, mga antique. Usually sa mga ganyan, nag-i-start ang mga horror movies. Charing! Exactly. Yan, oh. Mga papong sure. Parang kailangan kong bumili ng ganito. Kasi may napanood ako sa TikTok. Ay, oh, very aesthetic. Ano mo? Aesthetic lamps. Ayun pala yung presyo, guys. Ng keychain. Ayun, not the one. Yun, oh. 1 pieces, 6 ringgit. Dalawa. 10. Oh, personalized crafts. Mga hikaw. Oh, mga team kahoy dyan. Nasaan na kayo? Oh, team kahoy, labas. Pakyawin nyo yan. Ano pa? Grandfather's collection. Mga alahas. Oh. Pare-pareho lang naman ang ganap dito, guys. So, kung gusto nyo makakita ng kung ano-anong bagay-bagay na may aircon, go here in Pasar Central Market. So, ngayon punta tayo dun sa supermarket. Let's see if the store where I want to buy perfume is there. Saan na ba yun? Ano kainan to eh? Saan na yung mga bazaar? Food court. I think they changed the layout. Where's the bazaar? That side. Liligaw ako. Ah, hindi. Doon pala sa side na yun. Ayun, doon. I think in the second floor, they have food courts and more stores and shops. I'm gonna go here first to hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle. Dito sa side na to, yung mga bazaars, parang wala. Wala sila. Ayan merong mga bazaars. Ano-ano mga pinitin mo. Tingnan natin sa loob. May mga cute bazaars sila. Ay, wala. Wala. Yung gusto kong bilan ng perfume. Wala. Dito guys, mura din yung pasalubong dito. Hindi kayo dyan ng chocolates. Mocktails. Pangalan niya ay Pasar Besser Hall. Unfortunately, the store where I want to buy the perfume is not here. So sad. So, I'm thinking if we can already head to the next attraction or at least eat my cookie first. Kain ko muna yung cookie ko. Magkakape muna ako dito guys para makain ko na yung cookie ko. Kakainin ko muna yung cookie ko, hindi ang cookie mo. Bili tayong kape. Nagkape muna akes dito. I just had some coffee here. I think in this coffee shop, you can also buy some coffees. A good pasalubong also. Just like this one, 12.50 coffee o. Then there are teas over there and other stuff. So this is inside the Central Market, guys. Pahinga muna tayo. Total, hindi naman nauulan. So let's have coffee here first. So I got myself an iced Spanish latte. So that we can also eat our cookies that we bought from Cookie Crumbs. Ah, baliktad. Nice. Try ko na yung cookies na binili natin sa Cookie Crumbs. Nakakain-pariga to guys kasi viral to sa TikTok eh. And nung hindi Ramadan, there's always long lines in this store. So I bought two, one Nutella and one matcha. I'm gonna eat the matcha first. This matcha is my favorite. Show this one. It's very fudgy. Not too sweet. Ay, may matcha ano siya oh. Parang may matcha cream siya. Very nice. It's worth the hype, guys. It's really good. This one is only 12 ringgit. The one that I always buy in the TRX exchange cost me 17 ringgit each. This is way better because it's less sweeter. Um, there's like a matcha filling inside the cookie. Nice coffee. It's not too sweet. So I'll just rest here for a bit and then we will be going to our next destination, which is the Merdeka Square. I'm not sure if we can walk from here going to the Merdeka Square, so I'm just gonna check the Google Maps first. But if it's too far, I think we will just take the LRT again and then get up at Masjid Jami. So I'll update you guys. Tapos na akong magkape, guys. So I'm done having coffee inside the Central Market. So let's now head to our next destination, which is the Merdeka Square. And I think we can just walk towards the Merdeka Square. It's just 300 meters away from here. But let's explore the area more. I think there's a ganap pa dito sa gilid. Buti na lang umaraw, guys. Di ba kanina parang uulan? Ayan yung area. So let's check the other side. I think there's a ganap here. Sa gilid. Ang arte ng gilid. Ganda oh. Ay, ang cute. Ano to? Oh, malaking ostrich. Pasok tayo sa Katsuri Walk. This is just beside the Central Market. Ayan, may mga mamaks dyan. May mga food trucks where you can get some coffee, regular mamaks, fruits, chicken, fries, and etc. Vegetable rolls, watches. Ang cute, personalized bags. Tubig. Bili kahit ng tubig. I'm thirsty. Ay, parang mas winner ang kape nila dito. Sayang. Mga pastries. Card holders. Mga cookies. Ayan, may daanan din dyan. From there, you can exit. Durian ice cream. Would you eat durian ice cream? Mixed way. Parang sobrang daming branch na ng Mixway, guys. Alam nyo ba na hindi na McDonald's or Starbucks ang pinakamaraming branch na fast food, kundi Mixway na. I think in all of the countries that I've been to in the past few months, there's always Mixway. Mga personalized something. Ito na yung end. Maganda din yung area dito, guys, kasi it gives a very Georgetown vibe. Hindi naman ako pupunta doon, mainit. That's just it for Katsuri Walk. Ang masyadong ganaw. Parang mga ano lang siya. Mga shops. Like the usual Bancheto. Para ka lang nagpunta ng Eton Centris. Kasi may mga ganap sila doon lagi, di ba? So let's now walk to the Merdeka Square. So I already checked Google, and then we can walk from here going there. From here going there. We can just walk from here going there. It's just 300 meters away. So let's go and see you in Merdeka Square. I guarantee, guys, that you like it there. It gives a very European vibe. See ya there. Ito tayo tinuturo ni Google, guys. So ayun yung Katsuri Walk. So sa gilid ng Central Market, punta kayo doon, tapos diretsuhin nyo hanggang sa dulo. Dito tayo tinuturo. Ito daw, guys. Walang masyadong tao kasi Ramadan. Lahat sila nagfa-fasting. Cute ng ano, purple. Yan. Hanapin ko muna yung Merdeka Square, guys. Yan, may mga painting pa dyan. I think malapit na. So walking muna tayo. See ya there! Umaraw, guys. So parang nakikita ko na siya. Parang malapit na dito kasi from Katsuri Walk, I think we reached the River of Life. Pakita ko sa inyo bago tayo pumunta ng Merdeka Square. Let's go to the other side. I think we can get a better angle. Oh, I think that's it already. But let's explore first the River of Life. This is not supposed to be part of our itinerary for today. But since we passed it, might as well, let's just... Pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung River of Life. So pag gabi, I think may ilaw dito na, ito ba yung River of Life? Tanga hindi. Wow, ang galing. May shortcut pala from... Actually, I'm amazed right now, guys. Kasi meron palang shortcut from Central Market to Merdeka Square. Ang lapit lang. Kasi yan na yung Merdeka Square, oh. Diretso lang tayo doon. So ito yung area dito. Yan na lang Malaysia, guys, no? Oo, ang ganda. Very European vibe. Ayun yung Central Market. The blue building. Ayan siya. Punta na tayo ng Merdeka Square. Sana lumilim lang po. Actually, the first time I saw Merdeka Square, I was really amazed because it gives a very European vibe. I think we're approaching. Ulit, European vibe. Lakad lang tayo. Kasi itong vlog na to is, the main purpose is for you to discover and explore Kuala Lumpur without breaking the bank. So far, ang gastos natin is hindi pa malaki. Kasi yung pamasahe natin from KL Central going to Pasar Seni is just 1 ringgit and 80 cents. And then we had coffee, it's less than 10 ringgit. It's just the cookie is a bit expensive, but you don't really need to try the cookie. So I only bought it because I've been craving it for a long time. Eto na, I think we reached the Merdeka Square. Kailangan natin pumunta doon sa pinakagitna para makakuha tayo ng magandang view. Makita niyo yung malaking-malaking building. Ayan pa lang, oh. Hingal ako. Nakakatuwa naman. Ang lapit lang pala ng Merdeka Square sa Central Market. So this is literally the Kuala Lumpur starter pack on a budget. Yan o, ang area. Tawid-dar tayo doon. Tatawid po tayo. Diba? Nakikita nyo yan? Mga hasyendang yan. Akin lahat yan. Ito yung pinaka-highlight. Mamaya, doon sa harap makikita nyo. Tatawid tayo. Paggabi guys, sinasara yung area na yan. Tapos pwede kayo mag-scooter, mag-bike. Marami nagtitinda ng mga drinks and everything. Yan, tawid-dar na tayo. Let's cross the road so that you can get a better view of Merdeka. Ano kuya? Yun yung Merdeka guys. 7 seconds pa. Nanggigigil ako dito kay kuya eh. Tumatawid pa nga kami. Ayan o. Yung malaking building na yan. Meron akong picture dito before eh. Kasi tignan nyo guys, oh, sobrang ganda. Ayun yung building kanina na nakita natin when we went to Central Market. Tapos may ganito pa dito. Hindi ko alam kung government office nila to or what. Sorry, I did not. I think this is the place where they got their independence. Let's see. Over there, there is the Kuala Lumpur City Gallery. Pero hindi tayo mahilig sa gallery, guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. I'll just show you the European vibe of Malaysia. I think this area, you can really get a good angle. Guys, oh, very very Spanish era. I'm not sure if Malaysia was also colonized by the Spaniards, but there are lots of structures here that that gives a European vibe. Nakakainis yung mga bus panira, guys. I'm so sorry. I think I wouldn't be able to give you the full angle of the building because there are tons of buses here. Maybe they are on a tour. This one is like a fountain. It gives you like an Italy vibe, right? Italy vibe. Ayun sana, oh. Dati I think I had a picture here before in this fountain with the Merdeka Square at the back. But ang daming buses. And everything is under construction. I don't understand. Maraming nakatour ngayon. Yun o, yung mga may clock doon. May paklak. And then there's a huge field over there. I'm not sure what activities you can do over there, but maybe you can do picnic or whatnot. Punta tayo dun later. May marami silang flags over there. In Malaysia, each state has their own flag. Isn't it amazing? Anong masabi? Ano? Ito yung kabilang side. Ang pangit kasi. Parang lahat under construction. Dami nagpipicture, oh. Ayan, Merdeka. Square sa likod. Alam ko merong gallery over there that you can visit for free. But I'm not really fond of galleries. So if you guys want to check on it when you go here in Merdeka Square, you can just Google, I think, Kuala Lumpur City Gallery. Yan siya. So, Merdeka. May view din tayo ng Merdeka 118 and Merdeka Square. Actually, pag wala yung mga trucks and buses sa harap ng Merdeka Square, magandang magpicture dyan, guys. Akala mo talaga nasa Europe ka. Ano siya? Siya. Buti na lang umaraw, no? Hindi umulan. You can change your world and you can change your world. Meron ka bang social anxiety? Let's break your social anxiety. Yan o. Daming mga truck under construction. Init. Medyo mainit, guys. Hindi na ako magpipicture kasi may picture na ako dito. Takbo na lang tayo. You can change your world. Napagod ako. Ay, dun sa side na yun. May magandang tambayan din. Ang cute dun, oh. Yung mga booth sila. Paggabi, guys, maganda din dito paggabi. Kasi may ilaw yung building. Tsaka maraming ganap. At maybe wala yung mga buses na yun. So punta din kayo ng gabi kung marami kayong time dito sa KL. Let's go to this side. Meron ditong dambana ng Kagitingan. Joke lang. Parang siya, may malaking flag ng Malaysia. You know. Pwede kayo mag-picture doon. Dami nagpipicture. Tapos ayun yung mga flag. First day, tayo sa walang tao. Medyo may social anxiety tayo. Happy sila. Oh. Ito. Yung dambana ng Kagitingan. Actually guys, dapat yung KL Tower, part din ng vlog na to. Pero kasi hindi naman, for me lang I think it's not worth it to go to KL Tower. Kasi tatakutin mo lang yung sarili mo. Pag nagpunta kayo ng KL, ito lang naman yung mga dapat yung puntahan. These are the must visit and must see attractions in Kuala Lumpur. And Malaysia is very huge, guys. So Malaysia has 13 states. So each states offer a unique experience. And for starters, I think you can visit Kuala Lumpur and then go to other states like Ipoh, Penang, Melaka, Johor Bahru. Meron pang picture spot dito, guys. Yung may nakalagay na KL. Ang ganda ng building na to. I think magpipicture ako dito. You know, very European. Let's have a picture over here. I like this building. Lakas maka Manila Cathedral. Ayun yung isa ko pang sinasabi na picture spot. Ay! Ayan. Merong I Love KL. Post kayo dyan. Mag-rest muna tayo dito, guys, I'm just gonna figure out our next itinerary. So guys, one of the highlights for today's episode is the Merdeka 118. So Merdeka 118 is the second tallest building in the world next to Burj Khalifa. So it's not yet open to the public, but I think some of the company is already using the building as their office. But once it opens to the public, I think this will be a must-visit place in Malaysia. This is actually a good picture spot kasi hindi siya masyadong matao. Ayan siya, oh. So, paano kayo maka-reach or makapunta dito sa area na to? So, kung mag-MRT kayo, exit at Pinto B. And then from there, this is already the attraction. So, this is Merdeka 118. Alright, I think we have reached the end of this video. So from vibrant streets to breathtaking views, Kuala Lumpur offers so much to explore on a budget. Thank you so much for joining me in this adventure as we explore Kuala Lumpur on a budget. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. See you next time!